Let's see this question. We want to find the characteristics of this rational function. Then try to sketch the graph of this function. First, let's see if we can simplify this function. Let's put the numerator and the denominator into factored form. The numerator obviously can be factored as x minus 1, x minus 4, right? Two factors. The denominator, we can factor as 2x and the x. So -7 can only be +7 minus 1 or -7 times +1. So which one works? Yes. So we want to put 2x and 7 together to make a 2x plus 7 and x minus 1. In this case, we get 7 times x, 7x, then -2x adds up to be 5x. Okay, so do we have common factor? Yes, we have x minus 1, x minus 1. So x minus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator, the divide itself becomes 1. So the function can be simplified as x minus 4, 2x plus 7. Okay, now we want to find the vertical asymptotes, which is 2x plus 7 equals 0, and x equals to -7/2. Then remove both singularity because x minus 1, which is x equals 1, and the f of 1 equals to 1 minus 4 divided by 2 times 1 is 2 plus 7. Again, -3/9, which is -1/3. So remove both singularities, 1 comma -1/3. For horizontal asymptotes, which is the leading coefficient of the numerator and denominator, which is a half. It's the y value equals the half. Horizontal because it's horizontal, right? It has to be y value. X-intercept, which means the y value, the function value is 0, which means the numerator x minus 4 to be 0. So that's 4, 0. Y-intercept means x value is 0. If x is 0, we have -4 in the numerator, and that's -4/7. All right, so now we can use this information to graph. So let's use black color. Let's use blue color to mark the values. So vertical asymptotes, -3.5. Let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, -3.5, somewhere here. So x equals to -7/2 is the vertical asymptotes. Horizontal asymptotes, y equals half. Let's see, y equals half is here. The increment of x value, x-axis and the y-axis don't have to be the same. So y equals half is the horizontal asymptotes. Then x-intercept is 4, 0. So this is -3.5. So -4 is a little bit longer than that. So we have 4, 0. And then we have 0, -4/7. So this is half. -4/7. -4/7. -4/8 is -half. So a little bit bigger than -half. So it's approximately here. Right, so that's y-intercept. And with these two asymptotes, so we know the graph goes this way. It goes closer and closer to this line, x equals -7/2, but we'll never touch it. And on the other end, it goes closer and closer to this asymptotes, but we'll never touch it either. So that's this set of graph. Then the other set of graph has to be about here, right? So we can plug in some values. So this one is a -3/2, maybe -4 is here. We can plug in -4, f of -4, which equals -4 minus 4 divided by 2 times -4 plus 7. Well, denominator got -1, numerator got -8, so we got a +8. So if it's -4, y value will be +8. So I have to make this longer. This is half, this will be 1. Oh, 8 is up there somewhere. So which means -4, the y value is somewhere here. As you can see, it gets very closer and closer to this asymptotes. And on the other end, you may try f of -10. It gets closer and closer to half. Let's try f of -10. That would be -10 minus 4 divided by 2 times -10 plus 7. So we got -14 over -20 plus 7, so -13, almost 1, right? So which is +14 divided by 13. So as you can imagine, you can try more. So this just goes this way. All right, so that's the graph. We still have 2 pieces. Usually rational functions give us 2 pieces or 3 pieces graphs.